door panels removed from the RSX, both on the passenger and the driver's side. You can see it here. These are the black ones. Still in pretty good condition. We're going to take the clips, if they aren't on the Type R seats, as well as just kind of take any existing wiring harness that we need. Then while we're at it, we have all these like clips that stayed on the car. And so this is a nifty tool. It's kind of these pliers that go the opposite direction, and they perfectly kind of pull the existing clip with you. So take a look at this. Oh. Well, that kind of threw it out, but very easy. You don't have to do much work there. Just kind of sends it right out. Let's see. And for the most part, it keeps it intact as well. It just flies really fast at you. But we're gonna clean it up and proceed with the install. So here's the Type R panels. We need to move this clip out of the way. And so the way we're gonna do is this little plastic kind of pry bar. And hopefully it's not too caked in there. We're gonna see. So we're kind of shoving it in, and then we're gonna lift up. You can see it kind of lifting out right now. And we lift it up there. And then the previous, whoever took apart these Type R ones, cut the wiring harness. It's okay, because we have the wiring harness on the car there. And we're probably not gonna use these ones. Well, actually, this is the passenger side. We might use these ones. I haven't decided quite yet. But we'll be able to just swap out, pull this plug out and plug the other one in. So I'm gonna leave this one here. The nice thing about this one, it came with these kind of door panels too. So I might just keep all of them intact all together and then go from there. The other one we need to pull out is here. So this is the driver's side. And we are gonna do the same thing. So put it right underneath, pop it out. Comes out really easy. And then we need to see the wiring harness. Everything just kind of fell down there. That loud sound. And we're just gonna pull this clip out since we don't need it anymore. So that was pulled out, and we'll just kind of pull it out from the outside here. Okay. So that's done, and we're just gonna make sure all the clips are there and then start to put certain pieces back. All right, so folks, so we got the door panel on. We have one kind of bolt in there. The clips have been kind of connected. And so just want to do a comparison of the Type S, and then this is the Type R. They're nearly identical. There's really no difference for these little door handles. Even further, let's turn it over. It says S6M-R. And then this is S6M-R. So that's just something for you guys to know. Everything is pretty much identical. All right, so we have the door handle on, as I mentioned before, the Type R version and the Type S, pretty much the same. However, this is the Type R version, and this is the Type S version. There's almost the same, just one subtle difference. One, they're reversed on each side, so it won't work It might work, but I'm not gonna force it. This is kind of like the cutout where the door sill is, and then this is the cutout where the other one. The other thing I noticed is, and actually my preference, I actually like the Type S version better. There's a little door light to let you know what's going on there. It just lets you know there's power. And so I think this is a nicer upgrade, and so I'm gonna keep the Type S door locks. All right, so we're done with the interior. Over here are the blue ITR door panels, and you see the blue suede here, or the blue fabric here, sorry. And then you have the Wildcat blue, kind of like a black blue checkered pattern there. And over there is the other ITR door panel. So we're done with the install. The only thing left that we are kind of waiting on is just kind of some components that I need to finish the ship boot there. And then we're done with the interior conversion.